ENCLAPSലേക്കുള്ള വഴി ഇനി തനിയെ തുറക്കാം. Subscribe to the Enclaps channel. Ring the bell button and open success. It's that easy.
Hello. Welcome to the world of biology. Receptors in the skin. You might have seen visually impaired people reading Braille by touching with the tips of the finger. Are these touch receptors uniformly distributed all over the skin? Let's find out this answer by doing a small activity. Take 2 refillers of any ballpoint pen. Ask your friend to close his or her hand. Place the 2 pointed tips of the refillers on the fingertip first and then on the wrist of your friend. Ask your friend about the experience he or she has felt on the fingertip and the wrist. Is there any difference in the experience? If so, what might be the reason? Can you now make out how visually impaired people read Braille script using their fingertips? Now, did you come to an inference that receptors are not uniformly distributed? Because the fingertip contains more touch receptors than the wrist. With the help of an image, shall we check the various receptors present in the skin to sense the different stimuli? The different receptors present in the skin are pain receptor, cold receptor, touch receptor, pressure receptor, temperature receptor, and cold, touch, pressure and pain are felt by our skin. When these receptors are stimulated, impulses from the reach in the cerebrum for its perception. Receptors in various organisms. All organisms have mechanisms to know their surroundings. Let's see the receptors of certain organisms and their peculiarities. Planaria, eye spot. Eye spot to detect housefly. Ommatidia. Ommatidia formed of thousands of small eyes. The eyes of an insect consist of a cluster of photoreceptors and they are called ommatidia. Then next there are lateral receptors in the lateral line either side of the body which has to detect the change in the balance of the body. Highly sensitive olfactory receptors are present in the shark. Next we will see snake. Snake has Jacobson's organ. The aromatic particles that stick on the tongue of the snake reach Jacobson's organ seen on the roof of the mouth cavity. The olfactory receptors seen there get stimulated then. So, we have understood how the organisms recognize their surroundings with the help of receptors present in the sense organs. This helps them to satisfy their needs and survive on this earth.
3 ലക്ഷത്തിലേറെ വരുന്ന ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റവും കുറഞ്ഞ ചിലവിൽ സ്വന്തമാക്കുവാൻ ഉടൻ തന്നെ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യൂ Enclaps, the learning app.